Welcome and thank you for joining us. KCSE 2012, Paper 1, Number 20, Part B. Nema did Y tests and scored a total of 120 marks. She did 2 more tests which she scored 13 and 14 marks. The mean score of the first Y test was 3 marks more than the mean score for all the tests she did. Find the total number of tests that she did. We have been given Y tests, and for Y tests, she scored a total of 120 marks. For us to get the mean mark of each test, we take the total number of marks you divide by the number of tests. We have also been told that she did 2 more tests, and the total marks scored in these 2 tests were 13 and 14, giving us a total of 27. From here now we can get the total marks for all the tests, which is going to be 120 plus 27, giving us 147. So getting now the mean for all the marks or for all the tests, we are going to have 147. You divide by the total number of tests done, which is y plus 2. Once we are through with that, we can now move down and answer this question. So according to the question, the mean score for the first Y tests was 3 marks more than the mean score for all the tests she did. For us to equate the two, we know the first mean was 120 divided by Y, and the second mean for all the subjects we are going to have 147 divided by Y plus 2. And remember, for us to equate the two, then we must add the 3 more to the total number of subjects. In this case now, to the total number of tests or subjects, for us now to proceed, we are going to collect the like terms together by moving 147 divided by Y plus 2 to this other side, such that we have 120 divided by Y minus 147 divided by Y plus 2 being equal to 3. From here now we can get the LCM, and the LCM of y plus 2 and 1 will be simply y into y plus 2. From here now we can multiply across by the LCM, and we are going to have 120 over y. You multiply by the LCM, which is y plus 2, minus 147 divided by y plus 2. We multiply again this by the LCM, which is y into y plus 2. And this one is going to give us 3 multiplied by the LCM, which is y into y plus 2. From here now we can be able to simplify y and y goes, such that we have 120 you multiply by y plus 2. Y plus 2 and y plus 2 goes, we are going to have negative 147 times y, giving us negative 147y. And this one is going to give us 3 times y will give us 3y squared. Then of course 3 times y times 2, you get positive 6y. We can now open the brackets. We have 120 times y, which is 120y. 120 times 2, you get 240 minus 147y, and this one is going to give us 3y squared plus 6y. Like terms together, 120y minus 147y, you get negative 27y plus 240. This is going to be equal to 3y squared plus 6y. We can now move all these to the other side such that we form a quadratic equation. We are going to have 3y squared plus 6y minus 27y crosses over and becomes positive 27y. 240 positive crosses over and becomes minus 240, and this one is going to be equal to 0. Like terms together, 3y squared plus 6y plus 27y will give us 33y minus 240, and this one is going to be equal to 0. If you divide all through by 3, we are going to have y squared plus 33 divided by 3, you get 11y, minus 240 divided by 3, you get 80, and this one is going to be equal to 0. We are going to use quadratic formula method to work out the value of y, and y will be equal to minus b plus or minus into, we have b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let us get the values of a, b, and c. The value of a is the coefficient of the y squared, which is 1. B is going to be 11, and c is negative 80. Now we can substitute. Y is going to be equal to minus b, and our b is 11, so we are going to have minus 11 plus or minus square root of b squared will be 11 squared, which is 121, minus we have 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 80, divided by, we have 2 times 1, which is 2. From here now we are going to have negative 11 plus or minus 121, that is square root of 121, minus will give you a plus of 320 divided by 2, and this one is going to be minus 11 plus or minus square root of 121 plus 320 will give us 441. This one will give us 441 divided by 2. We can proceed. We are going to have negative 11 plus or minus square root of 441 will give us 21 divided by 2. The first value of x in this case is going to be equal to negative 11 plus 21, which is 10, divided by 2, you get 5. And the next value of x is going to be negative 11 minus negative 21, which is going to give us negative 32. Over 2, you get negative 16. We ignore the negative value of x, and therefore the value of x is going to be equal to 5, meaning the number of tests would be equal to the value of y, which is 5 plus 2, giving us a total of 7 tests. Thank you for watching, and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two. You click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification.